Hello, friends. This is Sundareshan, Compliance Guru. You're tuned into my channel for board members and senior management. The playlist Board Anatomy, the word Tort. Now, torts is a topic which is very popular in corporate, and it can be in the form of an auto accident, false imprisonment, a defamation, a product liability, copyright infringement, and of course, environment pollution. Any of this can be a tort. Now, what is a tort? Well, the dictionary meaning of tort is damage, injury, or a wrongful act done willfully or maybe negligently or in circumstances involving strict liability but not involving a breach of contract for which a civil suit can be brought in effect. So simply put, what does a tort mean? It means any injury to another person's property, reputation, or the like, and for which the injured party is entitled to a compensation. So it's very simple. In a corporate, if somebody harms the reputation of another, which is the most popular, then the injured party is entitled for a compensation. Well, a tort liability arises because of a combination of violation of personal rights and transgression of a public obligation that results in a damage or a private wrongdoing. So, friends, in corporate, what is the story that we have? Well, the story is that of Bhopal Gas Tragedy, which is also referred as the Bhopal disaster, where gas leak occurred in a factory and is considered as one of the world's worst industrial disasters. This was 4 decades back, and the courts were made to realize that law of torts is not matured, and the courts in India were not competent to handle the cases on torts. It has taken close to a few decades before there was a verdict on the gas tragedy. Well, the other case on tort can be that of most popular case which happened in south of India, where a building caught on to fire, and again, a lot of people lost their lives. People jumped off the building, and there were at least 20 to 25 people who died on account of the fire. Now, when you apply the law of torts, who is to be blamed? Well, after 4 years of investigation, it all boiled down to a software company which engaged the services of a third party to get some interior designing done, and the faulty wires set off the fire. So, what we need to understand from this case is the director of the company which engaged the services of a third party was held liable for negligence. So, one can infer that torts has assumed greater importance in the corporate world. And very specifically, one of the legislations, which is the Companies Act, specifically provides for reliefs for acts of omission or commission by a company. And this is surely inspired by the gas tragedy case. And the directors may be liable if they are found to be negligent. Stay tuned, stay compliant, see you soon.